So we're going to go over how to graph on a coordinate grid and how to label the coordinates.
Yeah.
So the horizontal axis is always labeled as X, right?
Yeah.
And the vertical axis is Y.
Yeah.
Okay, do you remember what this point is called here?
I know it's counted as 0.
Yeah, and it's we read this 0, 0, and it's called the point of origin.
Oh,
Okay,
point of
remember this?
origin.
Yeah, origin. Okay, so I'm just going to plot a point on the graph, and I want you to tell me where this point, we're going to label it A, where this point is located. So if each square represents 1 unit.
Yeah. Oh, I think I remember this. This would be...
So we know that we moved 5 spaces to the right, so
Yeah.
along the x-axis,
Yeah.
and then 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces up. That's how we had to move. Oops. We had to move this way and then this way to get to this point. So
Yeah.
we label it as 5, 4. Okay? So a coordinate is always read x, y in that order.
Yeah.
Okay? So what if I ask you to plot the point -3, -6? Where would you plot that point?
-3.
Okay, so the -3, -6. Again, the first number always tells us how to move along the x-axis, and it's
Yeah.
negative, so
Yeah.
I know I need to move to the left.
Yeah.
So we're moving 1, 2, 3
Yeah.
spaces to the left because it's negative, and
Yeah.
then we have our y value, which is the vertical, up or down. And why did we go down?
We go...
Because it's -6, right?
Yeah.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that's where B is located.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll just do a couple more points, and then you're gonna write down the coordinates. Okay.
-8.
Yeah. So C is located. We move to -8, and then up to +4. So -8, 4. That's where C is located. And then what about D? Okay, so D, again, we start at the origin. We always move left or right. So we moved right, which means it's positive.
Yeah.
We moved 8 spaces. And then did we move up or down?
We didn't have to move
No.
anywhere. No.
So then it's just 8,
0.
0.
Yeah.
Good. What about E? We start at the origin. Do we have to move left or right first
E is
to get to here?
We go up.
Yeah, so do we move left or right?
We're gonna move...
This way at all?
Oh, no.
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 So then there's no movement for X. So what's
Yeah.
the first
It's
number?
gonna be 0.
Good. 0. Because we
That's for E, right?
Yeah.
0, and then,
then
6.
good. Positive
Positive
6
6.
because we go up 6.
Yeah.
Good. Good. So we
Positive.
moved right 4, positive 4,
-4.
and down 4. So
Positive 4,
4,
-4.
positive 4, and -4. And then the very last one, again, you always start at the origin.
Yeah.
And then which way do we have to move to get to G?
We're gonna move left.
Good. Left, how many spaces? 1, 2, 3,
4.
4. So that's positive or
I was
negative.
thinking I had to count this one, but this the
No, that's the
origin, so it's gonna be
origin.
the 0 already. So
Yeah.
then you go 1,
Exactly.
2, 3, 4.
So we moved 4 to the left. So is it positive or negative?
It's negative.
Good. -4.
4.
And then what?
We're moving. Oh, -2.
Good. We moved down 2, so it's -2.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.